I'm looking for the 650.
Stick it inside the shaft. No glue, nothing required. Stick it in, pull it back up. That part stays inside. That part sticks out, you cut off the excess, you're done.
Professionally.
For specifically for motorcycle or?
And a fat bob. Fat bob is
Welcome back to Advisor Danny. So that bike is the modern day 650 Kawasaki. It's called a Ninja. What do they sell for? This was $12,000. And that, in the old days, I don't have a picture of it, was the bike I had. So it has special.
Everybody's different. Everybody's riding style is different. You know, that's the thing. It's not just one size fits all.
Which is your favorite?
My favorite, I got a couple.
Which one?
It's between a Nightster,
Okay.
a Lowrider S, and a Fat Bob. Fat Bob is, I think, probably my favorite.
Now, what do we got here? Let's move on. This is the real motorcycle shop, I think. We're going to take a look at that. So we're continuing to make our way through the show.
Does he have a this? Yeah, he's got one. Is this like a one?
How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Hi.
How you doing? Good to see you too.
Okay.
You're used to it, aren't you?
No.
You like the Harley Davidson?
I do, yes.
What can you tell me about the number one bike Harley has right now?
I can tell you it's a super fantastic grand touring.
Grand Touring?
That's exactly it.
No problem.
Good. Most powerful, I'd say Pan America's the
This is
fastest.
the Harley Davidson booth here. Some incredible bikes. People sitting on top of it and enjoying riding. Who knows about your motorcycles?
That's me.
So, which is the number one bike here?
Number one bike in what capacity?
What's your name?
My name is Keenan.
I'm Danny Keenan.
Danny.
Nice. What happened to your arm?
I broke my collarbone.
Riding?
No, playing hockey.
How long?
I'm in the sling for about 2 more weeks. That's when I go see a doctor. Hopefully he'll tell me I can be out of the sling.
Okay.
Yeah, so but like six weeks is like the heal time.
I hope this is a very successful show for you.
I appreciate
And
it.
all the Harley people. Thanks a lot, man.
Nice to meet you. That's awesome.
Hey, thanks for your time.
Yeah, no worries.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, the Lowrider S is going to be that blue bike down.
That one?
Yeah, the Lowrider S.
What's that sell for?
That guy that sells for about 27. Most powerful, I'd say Pan America's the fastest.
Expensive bike at the high end costs what? That Harley makes. Are you
69,000.
69,000?
That was the 2023.
Real motorcycle shop, I think. We're going to take a look at that. Tiny ones. You know, the brand. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love it. He's gonna be. We're gonna get him on the little starter one. It's a snow machine of some kind. Very cool.
Microfiber closet.
Clean condition, waterproofing.
B Seal Company. They do a polish and a waxing. Look at here, guys. This is an electric water machine. Now, let's see if we can read something on here. 2014, $600 per day. It's a rental. What a nice guy, Keenan, who's working with the good people at Harley Davidson. This is a beauty. Wow. What is this?
This one in particular is a Can-Am Spider.
Okay.
It's an RT. This one to the left is an RT Limited.
Okay.
A couple more bells and whistles on it.
Okay.
These are the touring version of our three-wheel motorcycles.
And the name of this brand or this company is, who makes these?
So BRP, Bombardier Recreational
Bombardier,
Products,
the
is
airplane.
The father company, yep. And all the subdivisions are Can-Am, Ski-Doo, and Sea-Doo.
What do these sell for?
This one usually about 28,000. One to the left usually about 35 to 38, I believe.
Is that the high end?
The highest end is the green one on the end. That's a Sea to Sky edition.
And what's that sell for?
40, but today a 6T motorcycle license, so it's like a trike license basically. No, the full
Trike
one,
license,
but
okay.
nonetheless, it's a bike license.
Very cool. And are they selling during the economy now?
Yes and no. The biggest drawback in BC for their sale is that bike license.
It's expensive or hard to get?
Just the hassle. In Ontario, you don't need them, so people just have a car license and they pick one of these up as a side. It's perfect. It's what we need. These don't sell Harley in Ontario.
You're kidding.
All right, let's go eat.
Thanks for your time, man.
Okay.
Wow. What a nice guy. So this show has all kinds of motorcycle related machines as well as the equipment that goes with the whole sport of motorcycle riding. You can see here all the motorcycle wear, jackets and all the rest, helmets, special bags. This is the high-end one, 44, I think he said, on sale today for 38. Another well-known bike called Triumph.
I have.
You're talking well of the competitors. What good people. Solid people. I wish you guys a lot of success.
Thank you.
No comment. There was a guy over there I was talking to. He's going to get one for his grandkid.
Oh yeah.
The tiny KTM. No price tags on these. When there's no price tag, I'm always thinking it's a very high price. What do you guess? What's your number one seller?
So far, I would say the TSK one.
This one. Road Glide. It's a Road Glide. You want to see the price?
Price.
$43,000. You want to take two? And it's called Road Glide 3. What a beauty. Wow. Discovering some very friendly people here at the Vancouver Motorcycle Show at Tradex and beautiful habits for British Columbia, Canada. All right, this guy's dressed. He's got the Harley gear on. Very cool. Look at that beauty. Nice people from China right there. They were sitting on that bike. Triumph.
I have.
Wow, what a beautiful bike. No price tags on these. when there's no price tag, I'm always thinking it's new.
Brand new.
I don't remember this from many years back.
No, this is like weeks old.
Weeks.
This is maybe my second time seeing it. I work for corporate, so.
What, 250s?
250, yep.
250. What's your name?
My name's Brett.
Brett Danny.
Danny,
Nice
pleasure.
to meet you. I really appreciate your time.
Good show.
Beautiful. I'm enjoying this little adventure. So Harley, Triumph, Yamaha, Honda. Triumph has had a big history as a classic motorcycle for a lot of years.
For sure.
Mostly letting the show as usual speak for itself when I really don't have a lot to add. I know when you're doing this kind of vlogging, you should be talking non-stop, like a lot of videos where 50% of it is nonsense. In my case, only 25% of it is nonsense. Look at that little one. Plus, you get to see and hear what people have to say all around us. What's your highest price?
Highest price bike? Depends on which edition you're talking about. We have the TFC editions a few years ago. They were straight factory custom, all hand built. They were probably in the 30s.
Yamaha time.
Well, no, they faded to pink.
The red.
People still coming in. It's early Saturday. It's a 3-day show. How do you think? That's my Thailand hat. I'm looking forward to going back soon. Having a great time here. Getting ready to wrap up.
It's either 1993 or 94.
This one?
These colors, yeah.
Oh, the red. I'm looking for the shot. That might be close to it. How you doing?
Battery assist.
Battery assist.
Yeah, so it's electric.
This is not my 650, but I had one many years ago. It rode like the wind. Now it's called a Ninja.
Let's get into front anyways.
It's beauty, isn't it?
It's really nice.
No, you're no problem.
I like this one. I looked at this
Okay, let me try this.
Let's get into front anyways.
Oh yeah, our jeans. Yeah.
Red is an iconic space.
It's beauty, isn't it?
It's really nice.
No, you're no problem.
Oh my god, yeah.
That's because you went into a left-hand turn. Oh, I was trying to pass on. You go like this, and then you fucking hit like that.
Oh, I overloaded it.
Stick it inside the shaft. No glue, nothing required. Stick it in, pull it back out.
It's weird, like I couldn't even stretch it.
Oh, him. Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, are you? You know somebody from Ecuador. There's something.
Buenos dias, amigo.
¿Cómo le va?
¿Cómo estás?
This is a pre-production model of the new 900 GS.
Hour and a half. Even though I went down low side.
In my case, only 25% of it is nonsense.
I know. Hour and a half.
Even though I went down low side.
But it's an awesome board.
And they do it the good way.
If you're interested in seeing it, come on over and you can have a seat on it if you want.
The anticipation's killing me.
Having a seat on this bike, you can line up at the back here with me, and we'll give you a chance to have a seat on it.
So the new bike is the F900. It comes in a whole bunch of flavors. First is the F12 horsepower increase and the 32-pound weight reduction to 220 kilograms. When you're talking about the seat is set up for both also goes up to 1.7 centimeters or 2.4 centimeters angle. On the opposite side, brake lever is stock with same weight saving, same power, but it is a much heavier.
Yeah. That's fair.
Little lights burning up the highway.
How's it going?
Beautiful.
Pretty good.
Hey, no problem.
Little lights burning up the highway. Cigarette.
Do not sit. I'm looking for the 650.
No problem.
This is the newest 650?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is the 26.
See down, there's two basic halls here. Where that is. Wow. Bikes. 48,000. And you get a penny back, except for the tax. There we go. Love it. A lot of Kawasaki gear and other, I don't know, motorcycle shops. So the types of things that you're looking for here.
That's too much.
Okay. Yeah, so it's like, oh, that's not a Harley. Yeah. Sure.
Because they would after they interview you, like, let's say,
That's just about a wrap from here in beautiful Abbotsford, British Columbia, Canada, at the Vancouver Motorcycle Show.
And it's around the same gas as my car payment and gas. We had to print signs.
I saw the signs on.
It's called California Ski Club. It's like certain, cranked out of it, big front wheel, and then extra long pipes with the fishtail. Yeah. It's a certain look.
Thailand just now, and there's a guy named CB there.
Yeah.
Who does a lot of motorcycles, car races, things like
Sweet.
that.
Yeah.
And are you based locally?
Squamish.
Squamish?
Yeah. Pretty local, 2-hour drive. I do a lot of photos as well, not just video. This is my page.
Let me take a photo of it and I'll connect with you when I get back.
Yeah, I got it.
Robert Torquilari. Fabulous.
Yeah.
You do it professionally?
Yeah, semi-professionally.
For specifically for motorcycle or?
Oh, I do all sorts. I'm doing a lot of sailing regattas lately.
Huh.
Yeah. So motorcycles as well.
So how did you get into that? How did you end up doing that?
I just started doing it for fun, and then people liked the result, and they're just word to mouth, and I get contracts every now and again.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I don't know YouTube. I got on Instagram.
What is it?
Robert Torak Photography.
Robert
Torak Photography. Yeah, I can show you.
Because if you don't have vision, you don't have confidence.
Okay. Howdy.
Is there some motorcycle stunts or something?
Nothing. The outdoor stuff that was scheduled is not happening due to the weather.
You just started and then
Dead deals here.
yeah, I think How do you even get on?
Nice to meet you, Robert.
Yeah, have a go.
I'm Danny.
I'm Robert.
Yeah, I heard you on that app. Your dad put one on there.
Yeah, I think
Now a good break after. Left break. Nice to
No problem. It was a good show, a lot of fun. Yeah, after 4 years.
I know, right?
Well, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching.